Students, our today's topic is animals and their homes. Bear. Bear lives in a cave. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. Hen. Hen lives in a coop. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Sheep. Sheep lives in a pen. Horse. Horse lives in a stable. Bird. Bird lives in a nest. Rat. Rat lives in a hole. Ant. Ant lives in a hill. Duck. Duck lives in water. Spider. Spider lives in a web. Monkey. Monkey lives on a tree. Cow. Cow lives in a shed. Bee. Bee lives in a beehive. Goat. Goat lives in a pen. Deer. Deer lives in a grasslands. Lion. Lion lives in a den. Polar bear. Polar bear lives in a cave. Buffalo. Buffalo lives in a stable. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee lives on a tree.